guys, so this is my Leetcode solving section called distribute candies. Okay, so you have n candies, and basically the number means the candy types, and you need to separate into two parts. One is the brother, one is the sister, and the sister like to have different kind of candies. So key point is that you need to send it to the maximum candy, different types of candies. Okay, so you can see three examples. The first one is 1, 1, 2, 2, 3, 3. So you can let the sister get 1, 2, 3. So the maximum should be 3. And the second is 1, 1, 2, 3. So you can let the sister get 2, 3, and keep going. Okay. So the easy way is that we can first compute the sets of candies and take the length. So this is the total, how many total different candies. Okay. And I also calculate the length of candies. So it's very obvious that if the total difference is larger than n divided by 2, then that means we have a lot of different candies. So the sisters can get the maximum candies, which is n divided by 2, And else the sister also can get they can only get the number of different candies. So this must be the answer. So once you understand the question easily, you can solve it just very easy because you already understand the question. Okay, so I will see you guys in the next video, and be sure to subscribe to my channel.